So, hi dear Sagittarius. Very good evening to you guys. This is a 7-day 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 27th of January till the 2nd of Feb. Want to be a reader like me? Purchase my course. Link is in description for personal reading and healing sessions. Links are given below in the description box. And for the best healing modality of the whole universe, the masterclass link is in description box below. That's of Ho'oponopono. So let's start. Sagittarius, let's see what are your messages for this week. Okay, 27th we have the rightness. So on the 27th, there will be some kind of something coming to fruition. It's like some kind of energy coming to fruition, task coming to fruition, and it's like time for you to get the rewards of your hard work. Okay, so very good. It could be like a money salary hike or promotion or something like that. Very beautiful answer, very beautiful energy outcome. Now the 28th we have the miser. So Sagittarius, the more you are going to get stuck on something or someone, the more miserable you are going to feel about something or someone, the more you will be attracting these kind of energies towards yourself. Try not to get miserable, try not to get too much attached to this energy of misery or lack of abundance or lack of prosperity or something like that. Try to be in the abundance mindset, try to be in this energy of everything is good and everything is coming to you the way it should. 27, 28, 29th we have the participation. So if it is a teamwork or team project, your equal participation, your unhindered participation, you can say laser sharp focus is required in some kind of participation from your side. Do whatever you can do from your side in order to make a situation, make what we call that, a teamwork effort work out in a beautiful way. Okay, 28, 29, 27, 28, 29. 30th we have the schizophrenia. So in order to let go of something, you might be constantly thinking what you should do. So should you let go of this thing, should you let go of that thing, should you start with this, should you start with that. It's like you have to let go of something or someone out of your life, out of your system completely, and let the universe take care of the rest. Because it could be possible that you have to let go of something or someone out of your life, out of your system. It could be a person, it could be an addiction, it could be something that you're holding on to from quite a long time, and you're you're unable to understand from where to start. You have to let go of it completely, like complete letting go. Then universe is going to take care of it afterwards. Okay, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31st we have the possibilities. So on the 31st of January, you will not be able to see the possibilities in front of you just like that. It's like foggy kind of energies where you will not be able to see what you should do in order to get the uh, opportunities that you should have in your life to achieve your goal, to achieve your desires. So even if it is something that you're not able to see right now at this present moment, the sun is going to come up, meaning you will be able to see the possibilities and opportunities very soon. Just don't give up, don't be in this negative kind of spiral, please. Okay, 1st of Feb we have the innocence. Now on the 1st of Feb, the more you're going to practice innocence and playfulness in your energies in your life, the more universe is going to bless you with those kind of energies. It's like more playfulness, more innocence, more love, and more playful kind of energy from the universe's side is going to be there for you guys. Very good. Now, the 2nd of Feb, we have the moment to moment. All you have to do is take your life moment to moment, live in the present moment as much as you can, and don't think too much about the future or don't think too much about the past. So, living in the moment and living your life moment to moment is the best thing to do for yourself right now. And enjoying the present moment as much as you can is the advice here for you guys for the 2nd of Feb. Because again, the more you're going to cling to the past or to the future, the more it's going to be difficult for you to enjoy the present moment, the life that you have right now, this moment that you have right now at this present moment. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.